Used to walk a different way, worried what the world would say. Now I'm writing my own rules. Yeah, I'm the one who's breaking through. This is my empire, standing tall. Never gonna be afraid to fall. This is my empire, watch me rise. Watch me rise!
This entire song was created in under 5 minutes using Google AI Music Generator powered by Gemini AI Music. No instruments, no studio, no experience. Let me show you exactly how you can do this step by step. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or musician, this tool can save you hundreds of dollars on music production. And trust me, the results are insane. Let's jump in. Open your browser right now and go to Google's AI platform. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account because we're going to use Gemini. Once you're inside, you'll see the prompt box. This is where the magic happens.
I drop gems like a lyrical architect and seal word up. Got a mental Rolodex that only the realists connect with.
And all the jagged parts I own are just the
Everything starts with your idea. Now here's the secret. The quality of your music depends on how well you describe what you want. So don't just type "make a song." That won't give you professional results. Let's create something powerful. In the prompt box, type, "Create an upbeat pop song with a catchy chorus, modern Billboard-style production, energetic drums, strong bass, female vocals, and a 2-minute duration." Notice how specific that is. We mentioned genre, mood, instruments, production style, vocals, and length. Now, click Generate. In just seconds, Gemini AI Music starts building melody, rhythm, structure, and production automatically. And just like that, you have a full song created by Google AI Music Generator. Listen to that.
Used to walk a different way, worried what the world would say. Now I'm writing my own rules. Yeah, I'm the one who's breaking through. This is my empire, standing tall. Never gonna be afraid to fall. This is my empire, watch me rise. Watch me rise!
That sounds like something you'd hear on Spotify, and it took less than a minute. Now here's where most people stop, but we're not stopping there. If the first version isn't perfect, we improve it. Go back to the prompt and refine it. Add more details like make the chorus more emotional, add layered harmonies, increase bass impact during the drop, add a cinematic intro. Generate again. You'll immediately hear the difference.
After the quiet, after the storm, found the fire, keeping my heart warm. This feeling's a rush, breaking on through. My future is here and it's shining brand new. I'm stepping out into my light.
This is how you use Gemini AI Music like a pro. Small prompt adjustments create massive improvements. Now let's try something different. What if you want background music for YouTube videos? Type, "Create inspirational cinematic background music with soft piano, ambient strings, uplifting mood, no vocals, 1 minute long." Generate it. This is perfect for motivational videos, educational content, storytelling channels, or even business presentations. Now let's talk about viral short-form content. If you want something that works for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you don't need a full song, you need a hook. So type, "Create a 30-second viral pop hook with a strong beat drop in the first 10 seconds and a high-energy vibe." Generate it.
After the static, after the gray, I found the strength to light my own way. I'm breaking free, unleashing the light.
That strong beat drop in the beginning is what grabs attention, and attention is everything. Here's another powerful tip. Control the mood using words like emotional, dark, nostalgic, romantic, aggressive, futuristic, dramatic, or uplifting.
After the static, after the gray, I found the strength to light my own way. I'm breaking free, unleashing the light, reaching for my moment, taking flight. My future is here and it's shining so bright.
Control tempo by saying slow, mid-tempo, or fast-paced.
Running in the neon glow, never wanna take it slow. Heartbeat racing with the light, burn it up and own the night. Pulses higher than the sky, pulses higher than the sky.
Control instruments by specifying piano, guitar, synth, orchestral strings, trap drums, or acoustic elements. The clearer your instructions, the better Gemini AI music performs.
After the static, after the gray, I found the strength to light my own way. I'm breaking free, unleashing the light, reaching for my moment, taking flight. This feeling's a fire deep in my soul, finally taking back all the control. My future is here and it's shining so bright. It's shining so bright.
Now, once you're happy with your track, download it. You can now use your AI-generated music for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok, podcasts, ads, gaming videos, or even short films. Think about how much time this saves. Instead of searching for copyright-free music for hours, you generate custom music designed specifically for your content. And it's original. That's powerful. Now, imagine this. You could create your own intro music. You could launch a background music channel. You could sell AI-generated beats. You could offer custom music services to clients, all powered by Google AI Music Generator and Gemini AI Music. This isn't just a fun tool. This is a content creation advantage. The creators who learn how to use AI properly are going to move faster, create more, and scale quicker. And now you know exactly how to do it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more powerful AI tools and strategies. And in the comments, tell me what type of music you're going to create using Gemini AI Music. I can't wait to see what you build. I'll see you in the next video.